Are you ready to earn a spot on Jamie Oliver's menu?
Yes, Chef!
Your time starts! Wait.
Come on.
Don't start yet.
No idea what's going on at this point. This is weird.
We need to be sure that the winning dish is exactly what Jamie Oliver's looking for. Please help us welcome internationally renowned chef,
Oh my God.
Jamie Oliver.
Hey, guys!
Oh my God.
Jamie Oliver. He's right here and he's in front of me.
This is so cool.
This is so exciting. It's so nice to meet you.
Jamie, with your restaurants opening all across Canada, your new series on Gusto, and everything else you've got going on, you're a very busy man.
I wouldn't have missed this for the world. I can't wait to see what you're going to do for my restaurant.
This is Jamie Oliver. If I'm going to impress anybody in this industry, I want it to be this guy. I have to win this.
Jamie Oliver's menu is Italian, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a play on an eggplant parmesan. I'm gonna try and do a nice parmesan crisp sticking out of it to make it look really pretty.
I'm gonna, be ballsy and do a pasta.
It is incredibly risky to make a tortellini in 45 minutes. God. But if you play it safe, you may not get noticed.
I always forget it's such a bloody workout.
All right, let's do this.
Most of my cooking skills and techniques come from watching celebrity chefs on TV. I would say to date, this is the most important dish of my life. Jamie Oliver's like massive. He's an idol of mine.
Trevor.
Mr. Oliver, bring it in here,
Very
buddy.
excited to see you, brother. What is going through
So
your
what I'm
head?
gonna do for you today is a roasted fall vegetable medley.
Yeah, like you're thinking.
I mean, to be honest, I base a lot of my cooking after you. I like your approach to very simple but elevated food. I like you shave your cheese from up here and it falls all over the plate.
They all think I'm doing that for style. It's not.
It's
Even
not.
distribution.
There you go, chef.
You crack on. I don't want to stop you.
It was an honor to meet you.
Beautiful. Well,
Thank
it's
you.
going to be an honor to try your food.
That's enough said. I need to win this.
Come on, cook, boys.
Barry,
Chef.
I think me and you are the oldest in the room today.
I think I've got you by a couple of years.
Okay, well, I'm chasing you behind. So, what we got?
I am going to simply braise some clams with this andouille sausage.
Yeah.
And I'm going to serve all of that together with some herb ricotta gnocchi,
Right.
confit heirloom cherry tomatoes, patty pan squash, and I'm going to work in some rapini, some escarole, and the sting and nettle.
Do you think there might be a few extra bits here? Feel the conviction in a smaller cluster of flavors, okay? That's all I'll say. I'm very excited.
Thank you.
And equally worried. Good luck.
Thank you.
Big time pressure. It's not every day that you get to cook for Jamie Oliver.
For a guy that's wanted to be a restaurateur since he was 15 years old, it's a pretty big deal.
Come on then, Aaron.
Chef,
What's
in the
going on?
flesh. How's it going, Chef?
Yeah, very good. I can see a few things, and that kind of makes me happy.
We're gonna do a little bit of a play on surf and turf with razor clams, some andouille, and play the sweet and bitter root by going with some of the puntarelle. I'm trying to keep it simple. I think that that's the spirit of Italy and Italian cooking, really honoring the produce.
Go for it, brother.
Thank you very
I'm
much,
feeling
Chef.
the love.
These clams are friggin' gorgeous.
20 minutes! You have 20 minutes left. 20 minutes.
So short on time, which seems to be my downfall.
I am very much under the gun.
Man alive, why did I do this to myself?
How do you do this every week? This is a lot of stress.
I haven't even stuffed my tortellini yet.
I don't think I'm gonna finish. I'm so out of my element right now.
Young Taya.
Hi.
So what's going on?
I'm making a tortellini, so I've got like a ricotta sausage, and then I'm gonna do a peach sauce. But I'm running out of time right now.
You're all right. Remember, those rabs only take a couple of minutes to cook. Only tip I would say is remember when you're doubling this pasta up, it swirls in the water.
Right.
So just maybe question thickness of pasta.
Right.
But don't freak out.
Okay.
Don't
Thank
freak
you,
out.
Chef.
Be confident.
I'm gonna try to do a couple thinner ones, take what he said, and hopefully I don't hyperventilate.
Saved it. Jamie Oliver is like my culinary superhero. I was bullied a lot when I was younger, so I can sometimes be a pretty anxious person, but when I'm in the kitchen cooking, it all just kind of fades away.
Matt, how you doing, brother?
I'm fangirling out so hard right now.
That's okay. You take your time. So what's going on?
So I'm just trying to do my take on a little bit of a lemon tarragon beurre blanc here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some cauliflower puree. I'm gonna do some razor clams and lay those nicely over that.
Very, very nice.
Thank you.
I always feel wrong. It's like going through someone's underwear drawer. Do you know what I mean? It's like I should, like, behave myself. Good luck, brother.
Thank you so much.
Very
It's
exciting.
Great to talk to you.
5 minutes! You only got 5 minutes left to impress our VIP guests. You know who.
Doing this show is, like, new for me. Like, I'm properly scared for them.
So, Jamie, you think they're overthinking it and maybe biting off more than they can chew?
I think some of them are definitely making their life more complicated. Young Barry over there had really good principles, but then never stopped talking, and it went on and on and on and on, and you're like, wow.
He's just making it more difficult for himself than he needs to.
We've got Taya making tortellini in 45 minutes. It's kind of brave. She could absolutely pull that off, although she's quite nervous.
I need to hustle a little.
What about Aaron? What do you think of his dish?
He's gone for real simplicity. Technically, it tells me that he's very clear about what he wants.
Sexy. There's so much at stake here. They want to impress. Schmutz on my plate.
Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that.
1 minute. You have 1 minute left. 1 minute. I want to see beautiful plates.
I need it to be perfect. Why am I shaking?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Woo! Woo!
There you go, man. Good job. Lovely.
All 4 judges have been observing throughout the challenge. They now take one final look before selecting the 3 most promising contenders for a spot on the menu at Jamie's Italian.
The first dish we're calling up was made by a home cook who grabbed a lot of ingredients and found an enticing way of bringing them all together. Please bring up your dish. Barry.
Wow.
Good job, Barry.
Jamie Oliver wants to taste my dish. It sounds trite to say that it's awesome, but it's awesome. I've got manila clams braised with andouille sausage and pan crisp greens.
Here we go, bro. You look surprised when we called you out there.
It's my first time being called up.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Delicious. Good flavors, good seasoning. I like the char on the greens here. The clams are not overcooked. I think you've done a great job.
Thank you.
But what I would do here is I would try and amplify that natural broth that comes out of the clam. I'd probably go in a bowl and keep it hot and steamy. But I think all round it's celebrating loads of elements there that are delicious. Well done, Barry. Well done.
Thank you.
You cook the clam with respect. It's still tender and moist and deliciously sweet. The andouille sausage starts to come through, so you get that wonderful smokiness to it. It's a dish that is definitely restaurant-worthy.
Thank you, Chef.
Good job, Barry.
I have finally shown the judges the level to which I can cook.
The next home cook we like to call up, deliver a beautiful concept. Not too simple, not too complicated, but just right. Please bring up your dish. Trevor.
Yes. Yes! Win or lose, this is an achievement on its own. This is a dream come true. What you have in front of you today is a warm fall vegetable salad with a roasted garlic lemon aioli, and then some toasted squash seeds and some pecorino cheese.
Let's get in there. Plating's very nice. So what do you do for a living?
I'm a plumber gas fitter, chef.
Your pipe work must be beautiful.
I wouldn't disagree with you.
You know, here's the thing. Vegetables are always secondary in a lot of restaurants. And what you've done here is you've made them numero uno. Seasoning very nice and helped along with that pecorino. Very good dish.
Thank you. Means a lot, chef.
Trevor.
Chef Alvin.
This is beautiful.
Thank you, chef.
This is good food. The techniques you have here, you got grilling, you got some sauté, and you did the right things for the right vegetable. That's very intelligent. I would say the seeds, it's a bit hard. Maybe deshell them. Other than that, this dish is perfect for any restaurant, including mine.
Thank you so much, chef.
Good job.
This is wicked. It validates exactly what I came here to prove, and I couldn't be happier.
The last dish we'd like to taste was made by a home cook who took a big risk, and it looks like it paid off big time.
One more person is getting called, and it needs to be me.
Taya.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It feels like I just won the lottery. It better be good.
I did a Ndoya ricotta stuffed tortellini with white wine peach sauce and warm peach salsa. Oh man, I can't believe you're gonna eat my food right now.
Let's do it.
Woo.
I mean, for me, it looks cute, it looks pretty, but then you eat it, and it's like, pow! Big flavor. You've got the big, smoky flavor of the Ndoya and the lightness that kind of comes with the ricotta. And then the sauce, I've never had anything like that. I like the introduction of peach. And actually, across Italy, they use peaches in many interesting, savory ways. So, good job, girl. Very impressive.
The filling it's good. The sausage has that heat component, and the peach just cools it right down. But I think the sauce is a little bit heavy. But the dish is very ambitious, and you're showing that you're here to push yourself.
Yeah, Chef, I am.
Great work.
Thank you.
I had no idea if these flavors would work, and they did, and Jamie Oliver likes it.
Oh man, that was so good.
They were all really good, and they're actually very different dishes, which is great to see.
I 100% feel like I've got this. This dish would be a great addition to the menu at Jamie's Italian.
I think all three of these could easily become fantastic appetizers on the menu.
I definitely don't see myself as the strongest here, but I'm learning that I might actually be stronger than I think.
There was one of those three that I felt was just a little stronger than the others.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. All I want to do right now is win this challenge and get my dish on Jamie Oliver's menu.
So I think we made a decision.
The stakes are huge.
All four of us loved what you served, but one appetizer stood out above all others. Jamie, will you tell him which dish will be appearing on your menu?
I had to choose one that I think people would keep coming back for. And the home cook that made that dish was Taya.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
This is crazy.
I'm gonna faint. Sorry.
I'm a home cook from Vancouver, and now my dish is gonna be on Jamie Oliver's menu. Wow.
Jamie, thank you so much for being here. It's been a privilege to have you here.
My pleasure. You were amazing, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Big love. Take care.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Well done, sweet.